What is Benjamin Film? I'm back again with another reaction video. So I'm checking out Shallipopi. Pluto. He calls this one ASAP. Bro, that money high star sound, high tension. It is a vibe. Honestly, it is a vibe. So I'm checking out ASAP. Let's get it. Wait. I hear is it Last Mid is signed to Dapper Music and Entertainment? Or so he's in the same label with Shallipopi? Please correct me if I'm wrong. Bro, that is classic. That is classic, bro. So if you no smoke, what thing go happen? Shallipopi. Hi. I love how it sounds very, very traditional. Yeah. Bro, that is a vibe. Oh God.
Yo, X.
Hey, Nigeria, your traditional instruments. That is, hey, listen to that sound that came. Is it the flute? This is coming, bro.
Yo, X.
Network slow, no me say Wi-Fi disconnect. Do you know we are talking?
Network slow, no they mean say Wi-Fi disconnect. Bro, plenty people connect for that network top. So you know we say, nah bro, it be plenty people will connect. That be why it makes slow. You know they mean say Wi-Fi disconnect. Nah bro, plenty people they top hotspots here and there. Bro, you know they mean say Wi-Fi disconnect. Fact.
Watch your mouth or I go wear you 500 for your chest. I want war. I don't want peace, I want war. Giving only heat and they say they want more. Now we surround you now, who you want call? Call. Who is knocking at the door? This up we.
They give them heat, they want more. Bro, you have grown on me. Shallipopi, your music has grown on me. Like if it be before, like I go talk say this thing. Nah, but bro, honestly, I dey vibe to him. Cause how the traditional instruments they inside the way he's also riding on it.
We run and miss up. Now fast delivery, we go run and miss up. Yes up, we go run and miss up. Now we dey deliver, we go run and miss up. Yes up, we go run and miss up. Now fast delivery, we go run and miss up. Yes up, we go run and miss up.
Honestly, the way they sound, I would love to see the dance. You know, the Nigerian dance. You know, bro. Like I would love to see it. Shallipopi, please do something. Nice costume though. Dope.
Now we dey deliver, we go run and miss up. Yes up, we go run.
That transition, bro. That is fire.
Yes up, now we dey deliver, we go run and miss up. Yes up, we go run and miss up. I don't just sleep out, steady chasing paper. Very focus on the money, you can call me later. I don't chase no bitch, you can ask Anita. Now Charlie dey rap.
Who is Anita? I don't chase any bitch. You can ask Anita. Who is Anita? Or you know be Anita you talk. It be a woman. Damn.
Shakespeare the shake. I'm the greatest philosopher, ain't no time for debate. Where's like
Shakespeare the shake. I'm the greatest philosopher, no debate. Pluto! I respect that.
It's only if you can relate. Other Azubike, money daily. Network slow, no me say Wi-Fi disconnect. You know you are talking to. Watch your mouth or I go wear you 500 for your chest. I want to.
Wait. Watch who you are talking to. Like, watch your mouth. Else, I'll wire you 500. Like, if you talk too much, I'll give you 500 something. When you talk too much, I'll give you money to prove to you. Like, what does he mean there? Aye. When someone is proving stubborn, you prove to them that, hey, this guy they talk. Huh? You talk, bro.
Watch your mouth or I go wear you 500 for your chest. I want war. I don't want peace, I want war. Giving only heat and they say they want more. Now we surround you now, who you want go? Who is knocking at the door? This sample.
I remember, I think Kojo Sheldon, when the background, when the building was, bouncing. I just remember Kojo Sheldon posted something like this, and it was like, what is, bro? Honestly, this is a vibe. that's what it is.
We go run and miss up. That fast delivery, we go run and miss up. ASAP, we go run and miss up. Now we dey deliver, we go run and miss up. ASAP, we go run and miss up. That fast delivery, we go run and miss up. ASAP, we go run and miss up. Now we dey deliver, we go run and miss up.
But yo, the transitions.
Now we dey deliver, we go run and miss up. ASAP.
Wow, that's a dope video. Yeah, Shallipopi out now. It is a vibe, honestly. It is a vibe. What other tracks is a vibe on the album? I've checked out High Tension, I've checked out ASAP. Those are the only 2 songs. I would love for you to tell me. I want to check out 5 songs of the album. Yeah. Shallipopi, you're a vibe, honestly. Your music is different, and let it be it. Be who you are. Don't switch for anyone. Let the world accept you for your music. Don't switch to please the world, because the world is a wicked place. Let them love you for who you are. God damn. I'm out.